Many English learners understand a lot. You know many words. You understand simple conversations.
But when it is time to speak, you freeze. Your mind goes quiet. Your mouth feels closed.
And then someone smiles and asks a very common question. Tell me about yourself.
And suddenly, your mind goes blank. You want to answer, but you do not know where to start.
If this happens to you, you are not alone. This is very normal.
Today we will practice easy sentences you can use anywhere.
We will go slowly. We will repeat together.
And by the end of this episode, you will have a simple answer ready.
Before we begin, please subscribe to English Story Podcast.
We make slow English episodes to help you listen, speak, and build confidence step by step.
And please like this episode if it helps you.
When you like and subscribe, YouTube shows our podcast to more English learners.
Also, share this episode with one friend learning English. It can really help them.
Thank you so much.
Okay, now let us begin. Today's topic is very important.
The question is, tell me about yourself.
You hear this question in a new class, at a new job, or when you meet a new person. And sometimes, this question feels scary.
Not because it is difficult English, but because you do not know what to say first.
So today, we will make it simple.
We will not give you a long speech. We will give you a simple plan.
In this episode, you will learn 3 introductions. A very short introduction for beginners.
A friendly introduction for daily life, and a simple introduction for work or school.
And we will practice together. You will listen first.
Then you will repeat.
Then you will say it alone.
One important idea for today.
You do not need to say everything.
You only need a few simple sentences.
By the end, you will feel ready.
You will have a strong answer when someone asks, "Tell me about yourself."
Now, let us listen to a short story.
Imagine this. It is your first day in a new English class.
You want to speak, but you feel nervous. In this story, listen for these ideas: name, country, city, work or study, and a simple reason for learning English.
Hi,
Hi,
my name is Hope.
nice to meet you. My name is Mark.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you. I am a little nervous.
That is normal. A first day can feel scary.
Yes, but I want to practice.
Good. You are in the right place. Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Canada. Very nice.
I live in Toronto.
Great. I'm from the United States. I live in Virginia.
Oh, that is far.
Yes, it is far, but English connects people.
What do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach English.
That is wonderful.
What about you?
I am a student. I am learning English.
That is great. Why are you learning English?
I want to speak with confidence. I want to speak in daily life.
That is a very good reason. You can do it. We can practice together.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Quick understanding check. Answer in your mind. Is the student from Canada?
Yes, the student is from Canada.
Does the student live in Toronto?
Yes, the student lives in Toronto.
Is the teacher a student?
No, the teacher is a teacher.
Is the student learning English?
Yes, the student is learning English.
Great job.
Now it is time to practice speaking with shadowing.
Shadowing means you listen, then you repeat.
We will go slowly. Do not rush.
First, listen only. Do not speak yet.
Just listen.
Hi, my name is Mark. Nice to meet you.
Listen one more time.
Hi, my name is Mark. Nice to meet you.
Now repeat. Say the same words.
Hi, my name is Mark. Nice to meet you.
Good job. Now listen to another example. Hi, my name is Hope. Nice to meet you.
Now repeat.
Hi, My name is Hope. Nice to meet you.
Now pause and say it with your own name.
Say 2 sentences only. Great. 2 sentences is enough.
Now we add one more easy sentence.
Hi, my name is Hope. I am from Canada. Nice to meet you.
Repeat slowly.
Hi, my name is Hope. I am from Canada. Nice to meet you.
Now pause and say the same thing about you.
Say your name, say your country, then say, nice to meet you.
Perfect.
Now we will do a friendly introduction for daily life.
This time you will say 5 simple ideas.
Name, country and city, English goal, one thing you like, and a friendly question.
Listen only first.
Hi, my name is Hope. I am from Canada. I live in Toronto. I am learning English. I like reading books and watching comedy movies. How about you?
Listen one more time.
Hi, my name is Hope. I am from Canada. I live in Toronto. I am learning English. I like reading books and watching comedy movies. How about you?
Now repeat line by line.
Hi, my name is Hope. I am from Canada. I live in Toronto. I am learning English. I like reading books and watching comedy movies. How about you?
Now listen at a normal speed.
Hi, my name is Hope. I am from Canada. I live in Toronto. I am learning English. I like reading books and watching comedy movies. How about you?
Now pause and say your friendly introduction. Keep it simple.
Here are safe, simple choices if you want ideas.
You can say, I like coffee.
You can say, I like music.
You can say, I like movies.
You can say, I like cooking.
Now pause and say your version.
Great job.
Now you will learn 3 introductions for 3 situations.
Situation 1. In class, listen first.
Hi, my name is Mark. I am from the United States. I am learning English because I want to speak with confidence. Nice to meet you.
Now repeat slowly.
Hi, my name is Mark. I am from the United States. I am learning English because I want to speak with confidence. Nice to meet you.
Now pause and say your class introduction. If you need an easy reason, you can say, I want to speak at work.
Situation 2. At work. Listen first.
Hi, my name is Hope. I live in Toronto. I work in an office. I like learning new skills. Nice to meet you.
Now repeat slowly.
Hi, my name is Hope. I live in Toronto. I work in an office. I like learning new skills. Nice to meet you.
Now pause and say your work introduction.
You can say, I work in a restaurant.
You can say, I work in a store.
You can say, I work at home.
Situation 3. At a party.
Listen first.
Hi, I am Mark. I live in Virginia. I love pizza. And I love music. What do you like?
Now repeat slowly.
Hi, I am Mark. I live in Virginia. I love pizza and I love music. What do you like?
Now pause and say your party introduction. Say one food you like and one hobby you like. Then ask, what do you like?
Great. Now remember this. In class, share your reason.
At work, share your job.
At a party, share what you like.
Now let us fix common mistakes.
These mistakes are normal. Do not feel bad.
Mistake 1. Talking too long.
You do not need a long story.
2 to 4 sentences is perfect. Example.
Hi, my name is Mark. I am from the United States. I am learning English. Nice to meet you.
That is enough. Short is strong.
Mistake 2. Not asking a question back.
If you ask a question, the conversation continues.
Use this question. How about you?
Or this question. What do you like?
Example.
Hi, my name is Hope. I like movies. How about you?
Now it feels friendly.
Mistake 3. Speaking too fast.
When you are nervous, you may speak fast.
Slow is clear. Clear is confident.
Let us practice one line slowly.
My name is Hope. Nice to meet you.
Great job.
Now, vocabulary time. 5 useful phrases.
Phrase 1. Nice to meet you. Example. Nice to meet you.
Phrase 2. I am from Canada. Example. I am from Canada.
Phrase 3. I live in Toronto. Example. I live in Toronto.
Phrase 4. I am learning English. Example. I am learning English.
Phrase 5. How about you? Example. I like music. How about you?
Now repeat 2 lines slowly. My name is Hope. Nice to meet you. How about you?
Great job today. Now it is your turn to practice.
Go to the comments and write 2 simple sentences.
Say your name and your country.
Or say your name and one thing you like.
Keep it simple. Keep it friendly.
We read your comments and we love learning about you.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
We will be back soon with another slow English episode.
Stay safe, keep practicing, and remember, you can do this.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.